There's no way we can have another bull market. The fact that some of these bears are talking in such absolutes just drives me to a further contrarian point. But I keep getting tagged in these bearish posts, so let's address them. Point number one is that the midterm election cycle is not going to drive the markets up. Should you base your analysis on it? No. However, the data does not support that. S&P 500, average performance in midterm election years, positive. So the data doesn't fucking support that claim. Point number two is that leverage was propping up the entire market for 2021. True, leverage is the primary catalyst for the melt-up. But there is more fucking leverage in the system now than before the bull run even commenced in 21. Even more than when we had our final rally in November here in the August timeframe. So plenty of leverage money out there to push it up. Well, you have companies like Three Arrows Capital and Celsius that failed. Whoop-de-fucking-do. Not to mention they're gonna fucking come back. Just 2 months ago, this analysis came out for the number of hedge funds focused on crypto. 300. So Three Arrows Capital fails, that's fucking 1%. You want to base your entire market analysis on 1% of fucking hedge funds. Come over to fucking stocks and I'll show you how many startup companies fail. And hedge funds that failed. Just last year, 1 in 3 of them fucking failed in the safe conservative financial sectors. And even though we lost Three Arrows Capital and Celsius, don't worry, they'll fucking be replaced because hedge funds are coming into the crypto assets at record pace. Don't worry, they'll bring more leverage with them. Speaking of safe conservative platforms, let's not forget that our biggest trading platforms like TD Ameritrade and Fidelity are all getting into crypto with futures. More leverage. And the volume on those exchanges fucking blows away things like Binance and FTX. And do you really think that fund managers are just gonna sit on fucking cash forever? They didn't at the end of the dot-com bubble. They didn't at the end of the 08 bubble. Do you really think they're gonna do it here in July of 22? Maybe. Good luck with that though. And let me put this in layman's terms for you, this chart. This essentially means that bears are gonna get rammed 3 times harder than they did at the bottom of 08. Good luck with that. And congratulations on just now learning what DXY is the past few months. Yeah, I know. The only reason it had its uptick was the fact that the euro has been dropping. But as I've said, European governments are going to try to put a band-aid on what is essentially a hemorrhaging wound. It will ultimately fail, hence why I'm bearish for 2023. However, that will cause DXY to drop. And I know some of you bears know some expert TA. Anybody can look at the fucking DXY chart and see that it's about to come down. Even you gotta say that 120 is very unlikely. Unless you agree with BitBoy. I want to see you post that you agree with BitBoy. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a great day.